Hi friends, I'm there back with few updates. So yesterday we have bought sprayer, portable power sprayer. You can see this hose pipe almost 150 meters. So we are working 2 people to reduce labor cost. So since we don't get in time labor, so we thought of using this portable power sprayer. So yeah, so far this is second time since yesterday we were using this, so it's really helpful. But only one thing is folding this hose pipe after spraying. So it's very difficult. It's not difficult, it's a little bit pain if you have proper. So you can see here almost 150 meters, so that we can spray up to 5 acres land easily. So there you go, all the plants almost like shower. It's like shower.
ఆడుతూ ఉంటుంది పై యుత కింద పైన అంటే ఎట్లా